everyone. In this video, we will learn about the align attribute height and width of the table and TR table row. Also, we align vertical alignment of a table. Fine. So here you can see one simple table HTML body, then table border is 2 and with 4 rows this table is. If we run this table, a simple output will get with the 3 columns and 4 rows. One table is given and numeric data is written in between the boxes. Fine. So first we'll use the height attribute of the table. First we'll increase the height. So HEIGH we need to write, and then like I want to give 300 height of the table. So we can check, this is the height 300. If you want to increase the width, you can increase it, width attribute, and any numeric value you can give to it. This is the height and width. Fine. You can align your table. You can align your table on right or on center. Fine. I want to display my table on the right side. So I'll write the align value right. With the help of align attribute and its value right, the table is displayed on the right side of the web page. Now you can see the data that is displayed in between in the different cells of the table, that is displayed on the left side. The align is by default left and V align is by default middle. Okay, left is align and V align is middle. So we want to display this one here. So we can use the align with center value. Fine, we'll make the changes in the code. Align, where we want to align it in the center. You can check the one is shifted in the center. And if you want to display this on the top, means here you want to display, so you can also use V align. V align is the vertical align. V align, and what value of the V align? Top. You can write the value top. Here I have written align, but the top value is of V align attribute. V align. So you can check the one is shifted on the top. If you want to display this 2 here, so we need to give the align value center and V align, vertical align value bottom. Align center and V align bottom. You can check over here, and you can give these value for the complete row. If you want to display all these values in the center, you can give the value of the align attribute in the TR. Here you can give align is equal to center. All the values will be displayed in the center only if you give the value of attribute in the TR. But if you give the value of TR in the particular cell TD, then that cell value will be displayed according to the attributes and their values. Fine. So in this we have used the align attribute height, width and V align, vertical align. Values of the align attribute are left, right and center. Values of the V align, vertical alignment, top, middle and center. So friends, we can also use the attributes row span and col span. We can also use the attributes row span and col span. What is the meaning of the row span and col span? First, we need to understand the meaning of the row span and col span. For that, we can make a table, and with the help of that table, we can understand. Like we have, first I need to erase it, and row span means we are merging the rows. We are merging the row, and col span means we are merging the column. So how we can merge the rows and columns of a table? With the help of row span and col span attributes, we can merge the columns and rows of the table. So if the matter is more to display in the particular cell, then we can merge or we can increase the height and width of that cell. So friends, here you can check. I have a simple table. This is the simple table. If I want to merge these two cells, I want to merge these two cells. I want to make the table like this, and here I have merged the columns, and if I want to merge like this, so you can check it. Here what I done, this is the first column, this is the second column and third column, but in starting if you see, first and second box I have merged, first column and second column. So in this case we'll use the col span because we have merged the columns. And if we want to join the row, like two rows we want to merge in one, or more than two rows we can merge in one. So what you can do, you can write here row span. Means if you are merging the rows, you need to write the row span. If you are merging the columns, you need to write the col span. And how much value you will take it? Like here, two boxes are merged, two columns are merged, so numeric value 2. And in this also, you have merged the two rows, so row span value also 2. And where we can use this row span and col span? In TD. We know that when we are creating a table, we need to use the table tag, then TR, and in TR we need to write TD. So in this TD we can use the value of attribute col span. So we'll write TD space col span, and in col span we'll write 2, and then we'll write the content, whatever content we have in this A, B, C, like this. So now we'll do the practical of this in the same program. This is the program. I'll copy this table BR to give the space, and here this table. Yes friends, now you can check, this is the simple table. This is the simple table, and in this table what we will do, we will merge this 1 and 2. This 1 and 2 will be displayed in one box only. Fine. So we need to use the col span, and col span value 2 we will take, and this 2 we will write over here only, 1 and 2, and then we will erase it. Now you can see TD col span means two columns will be merged and the value will be displayed in that 1, 2, and in next to TD, 2 are here, 2 columns are here, third column is this, in third column it will be displayed 3. Save it and check the output. If you check the output, you observe that this column first and second are merged, and the data is 1 and 2. Now you can merge the rows. Like if you want to merge 4, 7 and 10, you want to make this one box. So how you can do? 4, 7 and 10. Fine. 4, 7 and 10. Where is the 4? 4 is here. Here we will write row span because we want to merge the row. Row span is equal to how much? 3. We want to merge 3 rows. So we'll erase this, and here the data will be 4, 7 and 10. Check the output, 4, 7 and 10. So like this you can merge the rows or the columns. You can make one box. Rows and columns you can merge. So friends, this is the use of the row span and col span attribute of the table tag. More examples we'll do of this attribute, and in this we have used align, height and width, v-align of table tag. So you need to practice all the attributes of the table tag. T head and T foot, T body we will do in next video. Fine friends, keep watching the videos, keep practicing, and thank you everyone.